So I decided to get a mystery box. I'm really picky about my fabric. I may hate everything I get, or I may love it all. This is my box. It's pretty big. I think there's supposed to be 12 to 18 yards in here, so we'll see what I have. Ow. This glue is so sticky. It like hurt. Okay. All right, so the first one. Oh! Whoa. The first one is like, it's sheer. It's like totally sheer. How strange. That looks like it's about 2 yards. Stripes. Not really a stripe person. These aren't too bad though. That's probably about 2 yards, I think. More stripes. Oh, this one's really soft though. This one's nice. Color's fine enough. I think that one is probably close to 2 yards too. This is just literally the box of stripes, apparently. I kind of hate this one. I don't even know what to do with this one, and I don't even know what to say about it. Oh, jungle print. Like, I like the colors of it. I don't know if I would ever wear anything like this, so I'll have to see what I can do with it. So, like, none of these are actually turning out to be, what I expected. I mean, like, what do you really expect from a mystery box? But, like, these aren't really fabrics that I would ever pick out. I'd be, like, going through the store. I wouldn't be like, oh my gosh, I love this one. I'm gonna buy it. Like, I just wouldn't do that. So I think there's, what, one more? Two more? Oh my gosh. Literally box of stripes. Like, this one's really soft too though. But these stripes are gonna make me go cross-eyed. Like, whew. I don't know what to do with that. Oh, there is one more. I don't think my arm's that long. Ow. Oh, the glue just got my hair. Okay, this one's nice. It's just a solid black. I can work with that. Although it looks like it catches a lot of lint pretty good, so I don't know. But it's nice. I'd wear this one. Oh yeah. In summary, I got a nice black one, a million different stripes, 4 days, crazy jungle print, and then a see-through black one. So there you have it. That's my mystery box, and it was definitely a mystery what was inside because I don't think I would have picked any of these. Maybe the black one. Maybe. Anyways, thanks for exploring my new knit box with me. Okay, bye.